So today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to draw hair. And before we get started, let's go. So I'm going to try to make this quick. Here I have 5 bald girls. A few tips before we start. Keep it loose, never draw a straight line, try to make it flow, and find the hairline. Okay, so first we're going to start with 02. She has long flowy hair that goes down to her. So you want to start off by finding the hairline. For 02, her bangs don't really meet up at a point, so remember just to leave a slight gap. Perfect. Now you're going to start working on the long strands of hair. You can add as much or as little detail as you want. After the sketch, just slap some ink on there, follow the lines you like, and done. Now we're moving on to Ree. So for Ree, it's the opposite. She has very short, poofy hair. So like always, you want to find the hairline. She has her hair in her face, even the sides. And since it's poofy, I like to add a guideline on the top. And we're just going to be adding strands of hair to it. And boom, the sketch is done. Now we ink. And you could add color if you desire. And now we're moving on. We are doing Lucy from Fairy Tale. As always, we start with her bangs. They're slightly pushed more out of her face. We get to the edge, we're going to add long strands of hair. And we add the guideline for the hair. Perfect. Now, Lucy has big, bouncy hair sticking out of her ponytail. So we'll be adding that. She has it on the side for some reason. Just want her to be different. Anyways, our sketch is done. Now you know what's coming next. Perfect. Now, this one might just be the easiest one out of all of them. It's Kagome from Inuyasha. We start with her bangs. Overall, she has really poofy hair. We're gonna add a guideline. Once you have the guideline kind of sketched out, you're just gonna add on to it. Boom. Now we're just gonna finish it off. She has some hair poofing out of her side. So basically we're gonna be doing the same thing as the bangs. Now we go over all the lines with ink. One thing I love about drawing characters with black hair, once you have the outline, all you gotta do is just fill it in. Perfect. Next, I just did this for fun. We're doing Yuno from Future Diary. And that's all. Hope at least one of you found this helpful. I'm not much of a teacher. Oh, and one more piece of advice. Warm up. Look at this. Ew. I made that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all next time. P.S. Subscribe.